In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix faded or strange colors on your Epson EcoTank printer when it prints. Today guys, I'm using an ET-2950 series EcoTank. However guys, this tutorial should still work for any EcoTank printer. However, I will be using the screen/control panel in this video. So guys, if you have faded or strange colors, stick around for this video. If you do find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, as that would help us out very much. So let's just get right into it. We're going to go onto the screen here, and we're going to go to use these buttons, guys, to navigate back to print failure. Okay, this is where we want to find Epson's official advice for this problem. And guys, I'm just going to guide you through everything that Epson has to say about this issue and what everything means. So we're going to press OK and go to faded strange colors. We're going to press OK again. So the first thing we need to do, guys, is to check our paper source settings. We're going to press OK. And we need to select the type of paper for the paper that was loaded. So guys, this is really important. If you're getting faded or strange colors, you need to make sure that your paper settings on your printer match the type of paper you're using. So if you're just using A4 like me, that's completely fine. However, if you're using like glossy paper, something like that for printing photos, then you need to change the settings on the printer. Otherwise, it won't be able to adjust to your new paper type. So we're going to press OK here. And then we need to change the paper settings. So to do that, guys, the easiest way is just to take a paper out and put it back in again, okay? And then it's going to pop up on your screen here. It's going to say previous settings, A4 plain paper. If this isn't correct, we need to go down and press change. And then we are going to change to the piece of paper that we have. So if you're using envelope or something like this, we're going to press back because we are using A4 plain. Then just definitely change that. So if that's not the problem, guys, then we're going to go back. We're going to see what they have to say next. We're going to say inconsistent colors. We're going to press OK. So guys, Epson don't really provide a fix for this one. It just kind of says that your display device and your printer might have a different process of producing colors. So for example, Epson is putting the blame onto your computer for this one. So what you want to do, guys, is make sure that your computer is showing the correct colors and it does have the correct paper settings. I do have a guide in the description on how to find and change your printer settings from your device, so like your Windows device. So do check that out, guys, if you do need some help with that. So make sure that your settings on your device are okay and consistent with your printer. So we're going to press OK again. And we're going to improve streaks. So this is probably the best thing you can do. We're going to press OK. And this is going to do a print head alignment, guys. So this is going to occur at regular intervals and will eliminate horizontal stripes and patterns. So we're going to press OK to do a print head alignment. Press OK again. And guys, it's going to ask you to load some paper in the paper feeder. It's going to need you to do some A4 or letter paper. And we're going to press print here. So once we start printing, guys, we're going to do a print head alignment, and I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So this kind of aligns your print heads. This will help do so if you do have inconsistent or some lines, it might mean that your print heads are out of balance, I guess. So we're going to go through the process together, and I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate it. So this is the first piece of paper we're going to get, and let's have a look at what to do. So that is it, I think, for the printing, guys, and we have this piece of paper. So what we want to look at, guys, is we want to find the rectangles that are not separated or overlapped. So have a look here, guys, check your rectangles out, find the one that is not separated or overlapped. To be honest, for me, guys, they're all pretty similar. I really can't find any difference. So if yours are the same and you're still getting problems, then it's likely that you have that something else is causing this issue. But just for the sake of the Epson guide, we're going to choose one of these. So choose the one that feels best to you. Number 4 is pretty good, so I'm going to do that. But to be honest, they're all the same. So we're going to press OK again. And so we have hopefully aligned some of our print heads, and we're going to go back, guys, and we're going to go to faded or strange colors. And the next thing and last thing you can do is to change the print quality. So we're going to press OK. And you want to select high quality from the control panel or the printer driver. So what that means, guys, is I'm going to do this on the printer printer itself here. So to do that, we go to printer source settings. Actually, you don't go there. I don't know why Epson have said that, because to be honest, I'm not even sure if you can change the quality to high, but we're going to have a look here because it will be here, to be honest, if you can. Unfortunately not, guys. So to change the printer quality settings to high, guys, you have to do this from the device that you're printing from. So for example, on your Windows computer, which I'm going to bring up now, so I'm going to show you an example of how to change that. You need to go to the extra settings when you're printing and change the quality to high. So I'm going to show you what to do just now. Okay guys, as you can see, I have my Windows device ready to print. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to press the print button at the top, and I'm just going to focus up now. We're going to choose our printer, and guys, here we can see firstly, we can see how to change the paper source settings from our Windows device. So we can change the A4 and paper type if they're not correct. And if you go to more settings here and you scroll to the bottom, you can see output quality, and you can change that to how you want. So if you have, if you want it to be higher quality, then select that and it might help your issues out. But guys, that is it for today's video. That is all the advice that Epson have given for this issue. Unfortunately, if you're still having this issue, then there might be some other fixes, including a head cleaning or something like that, or ink flushing, which I do have videos down below showing you how to do. But guys, that is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this did help, make sure to like and subscribe, as that would help us out so much. And yeah, if you guys are also in the need for any printer supplies, check out our sponsor in the description, guys. They are an online global printer supply store, and we buy everything from them. They're really good. They do really good deals, and you would be helping out a small business, and you would be helping out us, your favorite printer content creators. But that's it for today. See you guys in the next one.